What's up, guys? Here we go. We're going to show you guys how to join the new server. Some things have changed with the server. We are now running a total of 3 different servers. One's on the East Coast, one's in Central, and one of them is on the West Coast. You want to try and stick on your server and try and move to the other one. When we transfer grids and larger grids specifically from the East Coast to West Coast, it lags the server out, and that's part of it. We will probably have to issue some overall block limits on both base sizes as well as ships, but this is how you're going to join the game. All right, so push the join button. We're going to type in white. I'm going to type in Rhino. It takes it a minute because it's on the East Coast. It will organize in terms of ping. There it is right there. This is the way you're going to want to join all the time. It is possible that you might want to actually add this as a favorite, like so. And then you can click on favorites, and it should be listed there. So again, that was go ahead and click on the join, type in Rhino. It'll list itself here. Maybe. There it is. Click on server details. Click on add favorite. Gives you information as to how it is. This is just a lobby server. This is the way you'll want to join in so that you can be placed appropriately from then on. So we're going to go ahead and join this world. The password is the same. It's WR09. It's going to allow you to join the server. It'll load. All right. Pretty basic world. Not a whole lot to it. You don't want to take and get in the habit of running off here, because if you do, this is a completely separate instance. As you can see, there's a couple asteroids out there, but that's about it. No planets anywhere. Okay, so you're not going to have very much fun there. This is just a little space station. Please don't destroy it and blow it up, start grinding at it or anything like that. We don't want to do that. Obviously, I'm going to have to take and add a battery or something here. Our solar panels are not appropriate. Wasn't quite ready for that, but let me look real quick. Battery. Boop. Yep, empty. Batteries are dead. This needs a reactor. Actually, there might be a reactor on this. There are reactors on this. Where is it? All right. Let me grab some uranium ingots here. Do not take stuff from this ship. I will be pissed. This ship's only purpose is to allow for people to join the server. That is its only and sole purpose. Please do not steal things from this ship. All right, now we should be able to dump this inside there so that this ship will function for people as they come into the server. Boom, distribute. Boom, distribute. All right, we got power again. All right, so you're going to spawn in right here at the med station. There's a little bit of ice. There's a little bit of power, so that if you guys take a long time with making your selection, you can go ahead and adjust accordingly. Here is going to be where the server rules are, things that do not. Please don't steal from this ship. I already said that. Be silly too. Existing players, you're going to need to read from the side over there. You don't want to select a drop zone here in a minute. You should have already selected the space station when you first log into the server, and that's going to log you into this. This is opened up. Okay, now your previous gears should be available. However, I don't know where they're at. Okay, so the way this breaks down is above is Earth. It is located on the East Coast, specifically Florida, all the way across the world. The alien planet is on West Coast. In the middle is going to be Mars. That's currently central. Last night, the Mars server was not turning on. I was going to look at that later today. And the last is going to be outer space. Most of you, I believe, are going to be inside the outer space region. Okay? If you have a med station available in that server, it will put you there. If you enter the wrong one and you don't have a med station available, you're going to have a very difficult time making it back to your server. So you need to make sure you're selecting the appropriate one. If you think you're within 500 meters of the alien planet, you need to go to the alien planet. If you think you're within 500 meters of Mars, you need to go to Mars. If you think you're within 500 meters of Earth, you need to go to Earth. Okay? And then you can relocate whatever space station or grid that you want into the one server that you want to primarily house yourself into. Now, doesn't mean that if you're on the West Coast, you can't go to the East Coast server and go create a havoc or anything like that. Just know that the latency is going to be different from there. So my thought process is we'll use the centralized server, which is outer space, anywhere other than between 500 meters of those stations from those planets will be kind of PvP space. And the planets themselves within 500 meters will be kind of non-PvP space. So don't start smashing up people's ships and stuff like that. I don't think we should be doing that. So most of you guys are going to be on outer space. I am going to go through this one here because this is where my base is. So we're going to walk through, stand on the transporter pad, and it's going to take you away. 2, 1, here we go. Now, you're going to see it disconnect you from the server. That is normal. Okay? Anytime you transfer between areas, it is normal for it to disconnect you. Okay? So, that's kind of something to keep in mind of. It's difficult for me to get back to the lobby. Okay? Because I already have a save, or my character is already located on my server. Normally, you're going to click on lobby and you'll probably never see that space station again. But just so you know, I need to put space stations on each one of these servers and open them up so that people can use them. So please don't destroy the space stations either. I don't know if I'm going to do a color scheme or something like that. I'm thinking like a red and yellow and paint that thing up so that everybody can see it. That's kind of my thought process. So I have a spawn point here. I have made it, and I am near Earth right now, but I'm not within 500 meters. So technically, it's not actually. Let's see here. Right there. Right there. Earth sector. So that's the Earth sector. When you're within 500 meters of that, you are considered to be Earth. You can see kind of sort of the distance here. I'm at 350 meters. So if I travel 150 meters that direction, or anywhere away from that point, I am going to enter out, quote unquote, outer space. Okay? Alien sector is way over there. It's way over there. So just keep that in mind. So, kind of the way this works. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Things have changed. Things will continue to change as performance is needed. So, and where it's needed. So we're gonna give this a shot for now, and let me know if you guys have too much troubles, and we will look at another adjustment. All right, later.